Hey, welcome to Howza Channel. In today's tutorial, we will teach you how to change page orientation in the middle of a document in Word 2019. Let's do it. Open the document you need. Select the text. Go to Layout tab. Click on Page Setup. Choose the page orientation in the next window. Set Apply To as selected text and click OK. Easy. Another way to change the page orientation. Put the mouse pointer at the top of the page, the left corner. Don't skip this step, otherwise you will change the orientation of the next page. Click on Page Setup. Choose the page orientation in the new window. Set Apply To as this point forward and click OK. Done. Every page starting from this one in the document has the landscape orientation. To switch the pages back to the portrait orientation, put the mouse pointer on the next page. Click on Page Setup. Choose the page orientation in the new window. Set Apply To as this point forward and click OK. Done! Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you use any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!